Hello, my name is Rebecca. I'm from Amach Community Garden in Donegal in Ireland, and today I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes. So, the first thing you need is a seed potato. So this is what a seed potato looks like. It's like a little potato that's gone a bit wrinkly and it's started to grow. You might have seen one of these in the back of your cupboard. Potatoes really want to grow, they can't help themselves. And this is a potato that's going to grow into other potatoes, but it needs a little bit of help. What it needs is some soil and some water and some sunlight. So we're going to help it with that. So the first thing we need is we're not going to plant it in the ground, we're going to plant it in a container. And a cheap alternative to a container is a plastic bag. You can use any kind of bag that you like, but you need to put some holes in the bottom. Do this carefully. Some holes in the bottom, and that allows the water to drain so that your potato doesn't get drowned in there. So I'm just putting a few holes in here. So that the water can get through. Be really careful with this. Okay, and then we're going to just roll it down. So we're going to use a little trick my dad showed me, which is you roll in half. And there we go. Super simple. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fill this with some compost. So you can get compost at a garden centre or you can get it at supermarkets now. So I'm going to use my scoop and I'm just going to fill that with compost, making sure that there's no lumps in it. So we'll fill it up. You want to do about 6 inches of compost in there. Potatoes were the very first thing that I grew, and I didn't really know what I was doing. I was just guessing really, and they didn't take really any skills very much or any kind of expertise, and also which suited me, they didn't really take much by way of maintenance. I just put them in the bag and left them outside. And so what happens is, the reason why we rolled the bag down is because when the potato starts to grow, we will add more soil and roll the bag up. So here we go. There we go. So we've got in there about 6 inches of soil. And we're going to keep adding to that as the potato starts to grow. So where did our potato go? Here it is. There we go. We're going to put it in with the little sprouty bit up at the top. So we'll make a little hole and put it in. This bag will actually fit maybe 2 or 3 potatoes. So make another little hole. Put another little guy in here. And then we'll just fill it up with a little bit more soil. I'm going to get my hands stuck in this time. Get a bit of hands. And just crumble it over the top. There we go. Crumble, crumble, crumble. Now, so the things that the potatoes need to grow is light and water. So put it out in the sunlight and we give it a little drink of water. There we go. And that's it. In a few weeks' time, you'll get some shoots growing up, and that means your potatoes have started to grow. When it gets to that point, you can roll up the sides, add more soil, water it, and let it grow again. The shoots will grow up, and you just keep rolling your bag up until it's right up to the very top again. And then it'll be kind of like August time by then. You can empty out your bag, and you'll have a bag full of potatoes to eat. Good luck. Bye.